everyone, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. I'm probably going to be saying that for a while. So finally, I am taking down our Christmas tree. It is time. I want the space back. I've already mourned Christmas being over, so I just need to finally take down the tree. We had a wonderful holiday staying with my family, and that's kind of why it's taken us a while to take down the tree. We were with them a few days past New Year's. So we're home now and need life to go back to normal, so that is why this video is much needed. So in this video, I'm going to take down the tree, tidy up a bit, and finally, get things back to regular seasons. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below if you want to be notified for all my videos. Just ring that notification bell. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you enjoy.